Hear that? This is bold. This is breakthrough. This is the Vivo X300 series. Everyone present at the venue during the launching of the Vivo X300 get to experience what the telephoto king feels like. Lahat busy exploring, amazed, and super excited. Imagine the ability to capture breathtaking details from impossible distances. Sobrang linaw.
Actually, for me po, since Vivo, new launching po siya ng phone, siguro ina-expect ko po na super ganda nung phone na ilalabas nila ngayon. Although maganda naman yung mga pass, and actually, I'm very excited to try this one. Kaya ako pa iniisip sa kotse na, hala, what if kaya makawakan ko na siya? Ano kayang feeling? Ganon. Actually, for me, since I'm a content creator, siguro yung camera niya talaga. Since sa phone, yun talaga yung tinitignan ko kapag bumibili ako. And syempre, I'm expecting na makakabili din ako soon.
Para ka ng naka-professional camera for your concert shots or kahit detailed portraits from across the room. The X300 doesn't just zoom, it brings the world closer, putting pro-grade photography right in your pocket. And it gets even smarter. The X300 is packed with intuitive AI feature that automatically enhances your shots, from perfect low light optimization to making sure every portrait looks amazing. Speaking of experience, here's what some of the content creators present at the venue had to say about using the Vivo X300.
Kanina ginagamit namin yung phone, tapos nagpi-picture-picture kami around the area and na-notice namin na may mga filters na sobrang vibrant na colors, pwede rin na medyo dull. Parang every mood na gusto mong ipakita sa picture, makikita talaga sa camera and super linaw.
And as a content creator din, and then ang hirap kasi natin maghanap ng mga good light. And dito, eto kasing phone na to, may sarili siyang light and na-enhance na yung face or yung skin mo. So, yun yung best experience ko doon.
Na-amaze ako kasi, lalo na yung parang may kinakabit na para maging mukhang yan, yung lens. Lalo na sa mga nagka-concert, very great siya. Lalo na hindi mo na kailangan ng binoculars kapag nagka-concert, nag-attend ng concert.
Siguro sa akin, na-amaze ako dahil camera and phone, iisa na siya. So, 2-in-1 na siya and mas magaang pa siya kaysa sa camera. So, mas madali din siyang dalhin. And same lang siya ng pictures ng camera.
Vivo X300 is one of the key feature niya is the camera talaga. So, as a content creator or bilang videographer na din, parang of course, sobrang halaga ng camera sa akin. So, everywhere I go, I always take pictures, ganyan. And then, sobrang in love ako sa mga zoom features niya. So, you know, yung pinaka-feature niya na zoom is lagi kong magagamit. So, it will really help me sa pag-create ng content. So, ayun po, since madalas din ako sa event, siguro ang isa pong malaking tulong niya is yung telephoto niya. Since minsan nasa likod ka ng hindi mo alam kung saan pwesto mo, pero nakukuhanan mo pa rin kung ano yung nasa stage. And also kapag I also do photojourn before. So parang kapag nasa streets ako, I love taking pictures, kapag nakita ko something na art for me, and then telling story, parang, it's easy na lang to capture it kasi i-zoom ko na lang siya. No need to swap lens or add additional. So, ayun, parang it's really helpful sa ganitong camera and sa phone na.
The excitement is real and the reviews are in. The launch last November 26 was a huge success. Now to wrap things up, here's a word from Hazel Bascon, Vice President of Sales.
You've seen power, you've seen clarity, and you've witnessed what telephoto innovation looks like when it's pushed to the extreme. And now, the moment has finally arrived. The Vivo X300 series takes mobile imaging to a whole new level. It redefines how we capture the world, sharper, steadier, and more creatively than ever before. With its advanced telephoto capabilities and flagship performance, this series marks a bold new chapter in premium smartphone technology. But the innovation doesn't stop with the device. To give creators a complete professional workflow, Vivo is expanding the imaging ecosystem with 2 new accessories designed specifically for the X300 Pro. So if you are ready to elevate your craft, if you are ready for professional imaging in your pocket, and if you are ready to capture the world visually, this is your moment. This is bold. This is a breakthrough. This is the Vivo X300 series. Thank you, and we can't wait to see what you'll create.
Hindi lang ito smartphone. It's an invitation to rewrite the rules of content creation. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Don't watch the hype. Be part of it. Experience the ability to zoom in closer, see clearer, and capture moments you never thought possible. Visit your nearest Vivo store or authorized retailer today and unleash your inner pro photographer. This is Vivo X300 series. Grab yours now!
Let's get together. Sunnet 25. Sunnet 25.